stay tuned to see 2 chai latte drinks that we like to drink at home. They're delicious. You guys, I am making a delicious drink that you don't want to sleep on. I am adding coconut milk. You do have to mix the milk together, so I'll be doing that here in the cup. Whatever amount of coconut milk you want to have equal amounts chai latte concentrate. I got this at Walmart. It's not super expensive, especially if you compare it to getting something frozen like this at Starbucks. And then vanilla Torani syrup. So we're gonna get it together. I will type the recipe out below in the description, but this is super good. And you can even make a warm version without the ice if you want, but I'm making it frozen because I'm pretending it's still summertime. You could also do this with like an almond milk or milk if you want, but I love coconut milk. So you can see I have a cup. It's not super mixed, but guess what? It's going in a blender. Then I'm going to add a cup of the Tazo Chai concentrate. And finally, I'm gonna do 3 squirts of vanilla. Pop your lid on. We're gonna blend. Super yummy. This is not as thick as a Frappuccino, but it's super yummy. It is really good warm. I just like it cold. Now, even though I blended it with ice, it is not thick like a Frappuccino. It is just cold and delicious. So our second chai concentrate drink is Chai Cider. I saw one of my Facebook friends rave about this, and I thought that sounds like something our family would love. So we gave it a whirl. Elsie's a chai and cider lover, so this drink really made me think of her. She's gonna help me make an iced version. We could measure 1-to-1 ratio, but we're just gonna about halfway fill this cup up with chai concentrate. And now she's gonna add the cider. Guys, can you believe the precision of a 9-year-old? A little more? That's all right. Okay, ready else? Now try it and tell the world how delicious it is. Are you
really good?
You can have it hot or cold. What are you gonna pick tonight on Halloween?
Probably cold.
So I can promise you will not be disappointed if you try this. If you want another yummy drink, you should try my hot cider, where I've linked right here how I make it in the Instant Pot. It's delicious, very easy, and I know you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and chow.